In this Blender tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a dynamic paint in Blender. So let's start this video. I'm going to press A and X and delete everything. Control A then, and add a plane, S to scale, and press here, you can type 11 or 10 to scale this. And then here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to tab, edit mode, and here right click and add a subdivision. We can add a lot around like this, then gonna add more, and now we go back to object mode, control A, we add a UV sphere. We also need to subdivide this and increase the segments, but you can also add here subdivision surface, here too. Here we can add more segments, and here we can add also subdivision surface. And now here, grab this sphere, position here like this, and now simply here in the timeline here, make sure you press I on your keyboard and add a location keyframe. Let me add here. Okay, so now around this frame, I'm gonna move this cube around here and press I and add another keyframe. Now I'm gonna move this cube around here. Sorry, make sure you changed the frame and add another cube here. Press I and add a keyframe location. Now we have this very simple animation. Now make sure you select this plane. You go in physics, and then here in physics, make sure here you add a dynamic paint, canvas, add canvas, and then here make sure instead of paint, here we select waves. All right, perfect. Now let's go to the sphere and we add a dynamic paint, and here we change to brush, add brush, and now make sure you can start this animation. All right, you can if you want faster, you can grab this and move it here maybe, so it's like faster. Yeah, now you can select this and shade smooth. This looks really nice. Now here we go in shading and click on new here, and here we can add we can go to the base color, make this black like this, and we can add some roughness. All right, and if we go Z, we go to render mode. And here you can also change, maybe you can add some roughness here to this plane and increase transmission. That's one way. Just play with settings here and change the way you want. And here for the sphere, you can add some metallic and maybe some transmission. We also have color here, but that's pretty much a very simple way to use dynamic pane in Blender. There's so many other things you can do with dynamic plane, but that's just one way. I really hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. If you have any suggestions for the next Blender tutorial, let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.